Here's what most stores look like behind the scenes. 5 different apps trying to run one store. Nothing matches, everything's slowed down, and your conversions take a massive hit. Now, here's the same store, faster, cleaner, and built to convert with just one app doing it all. That's Vitals. And real store owners use it every day to boost conversions and ditch the tech chaos. If you're still duct taping apps together, you're not scaling, you're stalling. So by the end of this video, you'll have Vitals fully installed, optimized, and ready to handle trusts, upsells, and currency conversions, and more. All while you focus on building your brand or eating snacks, up to you. So let's replace all those random apps with one tool that does it all. Alrighty, let's head to Shopify dashboard, click apps, then the Shopify app store. Search for Vitals, click install, or just use the 30-day free trial link down below if you want to test it out. Without further ado, let's get into the first one. Upsell Builders. Click on Upsell Builder, pick your product, create a volume discount like buy 2 get 10% off, and choose where it shows, either on the product page, cart page, or post purchase. Make sure the design matches your store. You want it to look native, not like you copied and paste a Craigslist ad onto your product page. Number 2, sticky add to cart. Go to your sticky add to cart and toggle it on. Choose top or bottom placement. This keeps the add to cart button visible when users scroll. It's like giving them a buy now escape hatchet anytime they feel the urge. Number 3, currency converter. Click currency converter. Choose the currencies your audiences actually uses. If you're targeting the US, don't clutter with pesos and rupees. But if you're global, go global. And finally, product reviews. Scroll down to product reviews, click import reviews, paste in your AliExpress product link, filter by 4 to 5 reviews, check include photos, and import. Then go to your customization, adjust star colors, cart style, layout, and make sure the reviews actually matches your vibe. No arrived broken, but I loved it reviews, please. Keep it tight. 10 to 20 reviews per product. Remove anything weird, robotic sounding, unless you're selling robots. Now that your store is running, it's time to stack the next layer, bringing back customers automatically. In the next video, I'll show you how to build an automated email using OmniSend that re-engages buyers so that you can get that passive income. Now, Vitals gives your store the engine, but OmniSend, that's the fuel that keeps it running day and night. So be sure to turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos like this one and that one. So be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see some more, like always. This is Julian with Supreme Ecom, and I'll see you in the next one.